Benjamin, are you gonna call Nana? Say Nana. Nana. Are you pushing on Sissy? Oh no, you're getting Sissy. Get her. Get her. Say it again. Don't post it. Don't pull Sissy's hair. Oh, ride him, cowboy. Ride him, cowboy. Benjamin, say hi, Nana. Let me say it for a minute. Here. Call Nana. Call Nana. Say hi, Nana. Say hi, Nana. He thinks he's riding the horsey, Rayleigh. Say hi, Nana. Bye. Bye-bye.